Hi guys, today we reacting to Meatcanyon, King of Mukbang. Let's get this started. The link to the original video down below. You already know.
Got on my shirt. Oh my gosh, I'm out of food.
Oh my god.
And it's your fault. Ooh, look at this though. That's tasty. I know all you trolls come to my channel and tell me to eat healthy food, but then
Oh,
if
they
I
creepy
eat
man.
healthy food, no one watches the video. So I'm just gonna do
They want a bit
what
less
does,
creepy though.
and I'm gonna eat these spicy tacos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow to eat more Taco Bell and Takis.
Taco Bell and Takis. Oh. Man, what's going on? I saw that.
We need to retake this photo.
Wait, which one?
The one where we went to Florida a couple years back. It was such a nice time.
Okay. See? Every day comes to your food.
Did we ever get more cheese at the store? I need it for a video. Gonna try and record 2 more today. If I keep uploading at this rate, we'll be able to get that house we were looking at. Who knows? Maybe we can even get matching G-Wagons.
Maybe like that. Sometimes. I thought in the outside reaction to this.
No. What's happening?
Dang. I'm not really at the Blue Cool reaction. Blue Cool one. Check out my reaction about that one. Damn. They just out of bad. Easy. The hell? Yeah, this is kind of sad. Damn. Just in such. Can't even record. Alright. And yeah, we're gonna react to that next. See you guys in another video. Peace.